Hello everyone, it's Lynn Branson. I'd like to welcome you to my studio and give you a quick tour. This is some of my toolboxes, my dust collector, my workstation, which is originally meant for a motorcycle engine lift. It's hydraulic, so it works wonderful. And here's some of my bits that I use. And it seems like you can never have enough. There's the NSK, and here are bits that go into the Makita grinder. There's 2 carvings that were for this year's Worlds, so hopefully I get to take them next year. This is a vacuum that I think is one of the best. Not expensive, but it just doesn't quit. I have a small compressor, which is great for blowing out the dust in larger pieces. Here are my chisels, and I like to chisel probably the most. I find it relaxing. You can take off more wood, you have more control. And there's my knives and a very well-worn mallet. And over here are some of the electric tools, my Makita grinder and other grinders with the cut saw blades on them. And another cupboard full of tools. I'm going to continue on. The back room is where I have all my paints, my airbrush, which I don't use a lot, but I do like to have it, and the beginning of my wood, all shapes and sizes, 2 chainsaws, or 3 chainsaws, 1 gas and 2 electric. 1 large, very large piece of maple. The bandsaw, more wood, and more wood. And I'm sure that I will not live long enough to use them all, but I love every piece that's in here. Happy carving, everyone.